bones aren't meant to be broken. Take me to where the mountains can kill. People are free and time stands still. Whatever makes my heart come to life or fall apart.
Okay guys, so we just got home from school and we came straight to the gym because we were a little bit late, and Elizabeth did not come because she said her knee hurts, her knee hurts really bad. And today is Halloween, so happy Halloween, Emmalians. We love you guys so much. And so right after this, we gotta race home, go get our costumes on, and then meet my friends at 5:30, and then we leave whenever we want to because it starts at 6. So Ellie's doing her private right now, so we'll be filming her. I'm out of a lot of breath because I've been drinking Souls and it's been really boring because she's not here. So yeah, we'll go film Ellie.
Why they have free time? No, they'll be working on stuff because they start their competition. Get together, jump. That was better. Good, do it again. Together, jump. Baby pause. Hey, do get together. Yes. Okay, you're by yourself. You got arms, feet together, big jump. Toes. Good. You have 2 more. Together, jump. Arms up. Where's your finish? Up. Toes. Yay, Ellie. Arms up. Good. Go. Go. You're fine. Now listen, if I'm a softball.
Mommy, is it gonna be like a turbo?
Go. Go. Set. Alright. Random. Go. Whoa! Go. Good. Go. Why do you keep... That's that. Yes, go. Squeeze. Oh my god, that was there! What are you? You're not close to that floor.
Okay, Emma thinks her face is gonna hit the floor, so we're gonna show her the height difference. Okay, pay attention to the floor right there. She thinks she's gonna hit that with her face.
Go. Good. Go. Now why are you touching that last?
Hello beautifuls. Gonna say happy Halloween again. Look, we got our Halloween costumes on. I am the red Ninja Turtle. Yeah. And my mom, I'm grateful because she never braids my hair, and this is like my second time braiding my hair, and my hair's braided. We got our tattoo, got our shirt, we got our tutu, and then we got our socks, and I have leggings on because it's gonna get a little cold at night. But my friends are coming over. They're on our ways right now, but I have my mask down. Oh, it's right here. Look. It's ready. Mutant Ninja Turtles, go! So I'm super excited for Halloween, man. I'm like so stoked. I don't know why, because like Halloween's my favorite season, like holiday. I just love Halloween. Yeah, after the private, we kind of got ready. It is 5:37. The Halloween starts at 4 o'clock. No, 6 o'clock. We're a little late, but it starts at 6 o'clock. And at the private, my mom left to go outside to sit in the car because we were a little rushed and all that stuff. So she sat in the car while I did a tumbling routine. Pretty much a tumbling routine. I did 4, like 2, 2, and 2, and 2 tumbling passes, like back and forth, and I had to do like these things, like Peter Pans, and I about died. Oh my god, it's such a bad thing because like I haven't done a full out in like for a long time. It was so freaking bad. But the most thing I'm excited about is making musicals. I'm a muser, man. I'm low-key a muser. I'm just checking out. And also hang out with friends and family. Because our grandma's here. I don't know if my mom wants me to tell you yet, but our grandma's here to watch us. Something has came up. I've said this in many vlogs, so you guys are wondering. It will come soon. I'm sorry. Can't tell you. So yeah, that's what the plan is. Yeah, so we're gonna be making lots of music clues. We're gonna be filming, we're going to up to houses. It's gonna be a blast. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, so stay tuned.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go.
Okay, so we're
Oh my God, I
trick-or-treating.
see millions of people.
And there's nobody trick-or-treating. It's blurry.
Millions?
Like nobody's trick-or-treating.
Like, I
It's
see a few
empty.
kids, but it's a fair.
There is nobody anywhere.
There's them and some people
Yeah.
down there, but that's it.
There. That's like their third piece of candy in 10 miles. Huh?
I only had two. I ate my first one.
Millions of people down
Millions. You see millions?
What? Yeah, there. Emma thinks that's millions of people down there.
There's a clown.
Oh, snap. The clown purge is coming. Look at these tutus though. It's like big booty Judy. Big booty Judy's.
Elizabeth's house.
Ellie's fits hers perfectly. They're gonna scare Elizabeth. That's her sister. Alright, they're not making very good time. They're very slow moving. Right?
I gotta go see the dude.
Oh, yep. You see his Irish?
legs are inside.
Oh my God, you're so stupid.
What the heck? What? I just noticed.
Look, they have a golf cart.
Yep. Oh, whatever.
We still gotta go to that house.
Yeah. Hopefully someone jumps out and grabs you. Emma's scared to go to this house.
Oh look, there's Jillian.
A guy said, "Do you have all 4 Ninja Turtles?" They said, "Yeah," and he gave full-size candy bars. This one. Okay, so this is Emma's favorite house
I'm not going.
because she has to sing to get candy. So you better go. You're part of the Ninja Turtles. You have to.
They better know their own stuff. Oh, yeah. What's it saying, right?
How are you?
Snob. You're not on my Facebook page.
Here, babe. Mark. Hi, you look pretty. You look so much older.
We do ABs on here.
Oh, Mario, brother.
So what song you want to sing? We give you the option. Which one's it gonna be? Where's Luigi? Where's Luigi at?
He's at the park.
Okay. Now the one requirement is it's very loud. What do you do when you stand up in your neighbor's home? Alright? So, look, there's a difference. What do you want? Obnoxious gets you a full-size candy bar. This will, that gives you like a little handful of little suckers. You want a full-size candy bar, right? Yeah. Alright. So 1, 2, 3. Loud and obnoxious. You're very welcome.
It's a party and the girls looking at me. Skinny jeans on and you know my hair nappy. Hey, 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 okay, okay. What you do to this dance stop? Did you wanna be? Did you wanna be? Did you wanna, did you wanna, did you wanna be? Now slide, drop, hit the foot, don't stop, hey, don't stop, hey, don't stop, hey, run it on that beat, run it on that beat.
You can't see it. Go, girls. Yeah, I was trying to film it. You can't see it. No, it doesn't show up. Oh, there it goes. Look at the people in the window. It's Time for the heater. Woo! Are we having fun, girls?
Yeah. We have a full bag almost. But
Are you having fun, Aaliyah? Yeah. Are your bags full? Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, my jacket's in there.
Before we can't see. Oh, we can't see. Your bag's too
My
dark.
dark.
We can see Aaliyah's. Whoa, snap.
Let's go to this house.
Which house? Did you just knock her over? Did Ellie do it or Emma? Ellie, are you going? No one's at the house.
No one's at the house.
Okay, they locked out. No one's at the house.
Put their porch lights on in this.
No, that's not their porch light. That's a street light. It automatically comes on when the lights come on. Ha ha.
Cool. And that was So what is up, guys? So we just got back from trick-or-treating and we went through a candy to check if anything would happen. There's Aaliyah. She's staying to eat dinner.
Hi.
So here's my pile of candy. There's Aaliyah's. And there's Ellie's.
I can eat all mine.
And Kayla left because her mom.
They won't give you none, huh?
And she had to go eat dinner. So we checked our candy and we'll probably be eating it all tonight. So our pizza won't be here for next hour. So she said her mom will pick up her whenever. I'm leaving my hair because like it never gets braided ever.
I'm like,
Emma,
get me
Aaliyah,
out.
Emma, Aaliyah,
I'm gonna
watch.
sit in that chair.
Oh. I already said you were here.
Well, that's okay.
Mutant Ninja Turtles, go! So what is up, guys? Just letting you know, today was an awesome day, and hopefully you had a great happy Halloween. I know Halloween, it was like the best Halloween ever because like it was the first time it did not rain, it did not snow. It was perfect weather besides like when we went over to Sean's house. It was a little bit chilly, but it was good. It was like the best weather like you could ever possibly have on a Halloween in fall. And so I just heard that we will be getting snow about 6 to 8 inches in what's it called? September? No, October, November 14th, I think my mom said, is when we're getting snow. That's pretty bad. November, that's like still it's my heart. Yeah. But anyways, so me and Aaliyah actually made a present for one of our teachers. He's like our favorite teacher ever, and he's really funny, and he watches YouTube videos. He watches our YouTube videos. So that's pretty lit, right? So we made that for him. It's actually right here. We used candy because he said he likes candy. And this is what we made. It says like we have 100 grand total on our test, sir. Oh, we didn't do Kit Kat. I forgot Kit Kat. He said it's Almond Joy. Have a joy in your class. 3 Musketeers. Your fave. 2 Musketeers. Milky Way. We didn't do that one. Whopper. I know you like Whoppers from Burger King. Twix. You're a mix to the fractions. Nerds. You're a nerd. And that's it. It was something we wanted to do, and then we made Musical.lys. So if you want to watch those Musical.lys and watch Ellie's, it's Eliana29 and Emma.Marie26, and also Heather 630. And so we did make some Musical.lys. Kayla did leave. She did not eat dinner with us. We had Pizza Hut, or was it? It was like. Ate that, and she just left. Her mom came up, and like we had to call for like 5 minutes. Like she would not pick up the phone, but it was okay because like every parent doesn't usually pick up the phone the first call, right? Only if it's an emergency. So my mom is getting ready for the thing that I'm not allowed to tell you guys. I want to, but I just can't. Personal information. And so that's why our grandma's here, and I'm really quiet because I'm really tired, and I'm leaving my hair in. I'll just have to hairspray it the morning. So just letting you know, today was awesome. Hopefully you had an awesome Halloween. Hopefully you get all the candy that you like. My favorite candy out of this bowl is probably, I don't know. I like any chocolate. Like literally chocolate's my favorite thing. I like Twix. I like Swedish Fish. I like Sour Patch Kids. What's it called? Reese's and Sour Patch Kids are my favorite. I'm going to go to bed, so hope you had an awesome time trick-or-treating. I love Halloween, so like my favorite season. So I'm going to go to bed. So if you enjoyed today's video, and please give this video a big thumbs up if you like candy. And the question of the day is, what's your favorite type of candy? I know I've asked this question many times, but there's gonna be 2 questions. What's your favorite candy? My favorite candy, as I already answered that, it's Reese's and Sour Patch Kids. And do you like scary stuff? I don't. No, I don't, because I hate scary stuff. Like, I can't do them. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and bye millions. I love you guys. Emmaandellie, click up here to subscribe to my channel.
Click down here to see a family vlog.
And click up here to watch our challenges.
Click down here to subscribe.